So let's go to TikTok. Then we are here on TikTok. Take your time and choose the video you want to download. Take your time and choose the video you want to download depending on what you want to do with the video. Just take your time and choose the video by scrolling up TikTok. Then while you are scrolling up and later you find the one you want to download. For me, as a football fans, I will download the one with football concerning. You get it? So let's go. So I found this one. I will choose this one. Then click on share button. Done. Click on more. When you click on more, click on copy the link, the video link. Then let's go to Google Chrome. On Google Chrome, type TikTok video download HD without watermark. Then send it. Click on the first website that appeared. Then you click on it. Paste the link you got from TikTok in that bracket. Paste it there. Then click download. Then click without watermark. So as you can see now, it is downloading. Now our video is downloaded. Let's go on gallery and check the video for the confirmation. So here is the video. As you can see, it doesn't have any watermark again. Please subscribe to our channel for more.